Hey guys, Matt here. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset an Xbox One. You'll do this if you're going to sell it or just clear up space. So what you got to do first, you press the Xbox button and then press RB, which goes to settings, and then press A, go to system, console info, and reset console. It will come up with this message, and I'm just going to be resetting and keeping my games and apps because I'm going to be selling this. But if you wanted to just remove everything, like all games and profiles and all that, you choose this one. But I'm going to be choosing this one, which just keeps the apps. So you press A. Just continue anyway. You guys might not have that message, it just came up for me. Okay, so the Xbox is now factory reset. So I want you to press the Xbox button and then press A. And then this is just the setup. Thanks for watching, guys. If it helped, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave a comment below.